this equation, that means a by b plus c equal to, that is the 3 by 4. That means a is to b plus c equal to 3 is to 4. So if you want share of the a share, if you want 3 by 3 plus 4 into 35,000. So that's why this is the 7 5 thousand, that is the 15,000. If you want share of the b share equal to b by c plus a is 2 by 3. So here b share equal to, so b is to c plus a is 2 is to 3. If you want b share 2 by 2 plus 3 into 35,000. So that's why 5 7,000. So that is 14,000. So if we want share of the c, b share is 14, a share is 15. So that is c share is 15 plus 14, that is the 29,000. A plus b plus c equal to 35,000. So that's why if you want c share, a share is 15,000 plus b share is 14,000 plus c equal to 35,000. So if you want c, this is the 29,000, this is the 35,000. So that's why c equal to 6,000. This is the one way. You can take alternate, if you want alternate way. So b plus c equal to 4a by 3, c plus a equal to 3b by 2. So we convert into c's. So that is b plus c equal to 4a by 3. So c plus a equal to 3b by 2. So here you know a plus b plus c equal to 35,000. So according to this equation, so if you substitute the b plus c in this a value is given, so that is also a plus b plus c can take 4a by 3. So 35,000. So that is 7a by 3 equal to 35,000. So 7 5s are 5,000. So a equal to 15,000. So if you want share of the b, you know c plus a equal to 3b by 2. So a plus b plus c equal to 35,000. So that's why, so c plus a equal to 3b by 2. So b plus 3b by 2, that is 35,000. So that's why 5b by 2 equal to 35,000. So 5 ones are 5 7,000. So b equal to 14,000. According to a equal to 50,000, b equal to 14,000. So c equal to 6,000 rupees. So next problem.
Sir,
Business in the ratio of 3:2, if 5% of the total profit, if 5% of the total profit goes to charity, goes to 5% of the total profit goes to charity, and yes share is 855 rupees, and yes share is 855 rupees, 855 rupees. What is the total profit? What is the total profit? So once again, A and B invest in a business in the ratio of 3:2. If 5% of the total profit goes to charity and A's share is 855 rupees, what is the total profit? Suppose he can take total profit 100 rupees. 5% goes to charity. 5% goes to charity. So that's why 105% means in 100, that is the 5. So 100 minus 5 equal to 95. So in A and B, share into 93:2 ratio. So because of 5 parts equal to 95, so 1 part equal to 19. 5 ones are 5 19. So here 57 parts, here 38 parts. But he is given A's profit is 855. So that means A's profit is 855 rupees. So that's why 57 parts equal to 855. So here 3 19s are, so 3 2s are 285. So 19 ones are 15. So 1 part equal to 15, but number of parts is 100. Total profit is 100, can take 100. So that's why total profit is 15 parts. So 100 parts. So that's why 100 into 1500. So coming to the next problem. So next, A began a business with 45,000. A began a business with 45,000 and B joined afterwards and B joined afterwards and B joined afterwards with 30,000 rupees, with 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. At the end of the year, the profit divided at the end of the year, the total profit divided 2:1. 2:1. When did B join? When did B join? So here A started a business with 45,000 and B joined afterwards with 30,000. At the end of the year, the total profit divided into 2:1. When did B join? So here 45,000 A. So in columns. So in B 30,000 in X months. So simple. How many months in business in B? You can find simply after how many months did he join. So profit investment into time period equal to 2:1. Profit will be divided into 2:1. So that's why investment into time period by profit 1 by profit 2. According to the formula, investment time period, profit P1 by P2, that is the 2:1. So, zeros, 53s, 2s. So, 2, 6, 2, 3s. So, X equal to 9 months. But, so B in business 9 months. But after how many months did he join? 3 months. After 3 months, did B join? So the next problem. So A is working and B is living partner. A is working and B is sleeping. B is sleeping partner. In a business, B puts in 12,000. B puts in 12,000. In business, A puts in 12,000 and B puts in and B puts in 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. A receives 10% of the profit. A receives 10% of the profit. A receive 10% of the profit for managing the rest in the business, for managing rest being divided into rest being divided in proportion to the capitals. Capitals out of a total profit 9,600, the money received by A is A is. So once again, A is working and B is sleeping partner in a business. A puts in 12,000 and B puts in 20,000. A receives 10% of the profit per managing, rest being divided into proportion to the capitals out of a total profit 9,600. The money received by A is. Are you getting? So here A and B 45,000, A and B capitals 12,000 and 20,000. But total profit is 9,600. A receives 10% of the profit. A receives 10% of profit. So that means 10% of 9600 is 960. So here remaining profit, that means 9600 minus 960, 8640. So that is divided into 3:5. So 8 parts equal to 8640. So 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 sixes are. So 4 twos are 4 ones are 4 sixes are. So 1080. That means 1 part equal to 1080. So 3 parts equal because of A gets 3 parts. So 0, 4, 2, 3 to 40. So A gets, that is 960, it is the 240. So A receives 960 plus 3 to 40. So 0, 0, 2. So A receives 4200. Okay, sir.